Hi, thank you very much for taking the course Master Data Warehouse Concepts Step by Step from Scratch with me. I'm here today to help you learn and master the data warehouse concepts from scratch. Now, even if you're just getting started in the world of the data warehouse and business intelligence, or if you want to get into the data warehouse and business intelligence world from a different IT sector, or even if you're an experienced data warehouse business intelligence professional who's here to get some more tips, no matter who you are, I think one of the best things which I can do for you in this course is to give you the ability to get your questions answered about the data warehouse concepts from someone who's experienced in this field for more than 13 years, right? So as a student of this course, you can ask me any question anytime and post your questions here. To get the best out of this course, I would say start by introducing yourself on what you're currently doing and what you're expecting out of this course. Now, the reason I say that is because the content of this course is quite wide and it covers all areas of expertise like the basic, medium, and the expert level as well, right? So if you're looking for a specific topic, just ask me where that topic is in the list. I'll try to point out, because by looking at the list of the topics, you might not be able to know where that is available. For example, if you want to know about the dimensional modeling, so where is that defined? I can right away help you with that. Or let's say there is something which is not present here. You can ask me and I'll try to put that up in the list of lectures, right? So I have quite some students and participants from various forums asking questions specifically on how important are the data warehouse concepts, right? Now, with all the buzz around big data nowadays, people might think, or there is quite some discussion about data warehouse being dead, or it's not relevant in the current age of information technology. It's not true. And there is clearly, I've put up a video explaining why that is not true. And obviously, there are multiple reasons for it, not only the video which I've put in. So, based on the questions, I'll give the responses as soon as possible. Sometimes you might like the answer and sometimes you might not. If you do not, please tell me on why you do not like it. I've tried to answer all the questions as best I can with a thoughtful response. This is another course of mine which is on Informatica Power Center, and as you can look at it, I have responded to all the queries which have come up in the best of my abilities within the resources I have, and tried to provide as much information as possible to all the participants of this course, right? So now this is a pretty big course. It's got a few different things for you. At the very beginning of it, we start with the brief about the data warehouse, and then we talk about the business intelligence, and then we also try to understand the differences between data warehouse and business intelligence. We go to the data warehouse architectures, what is the purpose of a staging area, advantages and limitations. And I'll also add big data warehouse architectures which are currently being used or which will be an extensions to the existing traditional data warehouse. And then we talk about the different notations we see, like the ODS, the reason we need to use it, the features, and what are the differences. And most of it also have the resources where you can download the infographics which I have created for multiple reasons, which will be handy for you to read and learn the different things within it. OLAP, as detailed as possible. Data mart, characteristics, the mistakes and misconceptions between data mart and a data warehouse. And when it comes to the data modeling, the different types of data model. And you'll also see quite some more videos about the dimensional modeling, the different objects which will be used. Those are yet to come up, but those will be there by the time the course is live. And then the different types of extraction, transformation, and loading, importance of metadata, why data integration, difference between the ETL versus ELT, and the typical roles which are in the data warehouse project. Now, along with this, as this includes the basic to the high level concepts, I also wanted to bring in the RDBMS concepts, but those things will happen over a period of time. Looking at the questions which come up from you, different topics will be added. If you're already familiar with these topics, skip the sections which you're familiar with. You might sometimes have to skip several sections based on your experience level. If you have to do that, please do that. And if you have time and if you want to go through them, you might be able to get new insights on the topics which you might already know. So hope you get what you're looking for in this course. If not, just let me know. Like I mentioned, all you have to do is go to the Q&A tab from your view once you've enrolled to the course, and either you can search a question or you can ask a question with the title and whatever you want to describe, right? If some topic is not available and it is not relevant to this course, I'll try to explain it to you on why it is not relevant. If you still think that is required, we can try to put it in, right? As this will be a group of participants, obviously it will be helpful for you or the rest of the group within this forum, where we try to improve the overall learning experience, especially on this course. All right. All the best. Thank you.